Liverpool.
Liverpool.
Un.
1.
Blackpool. No, Liverpool. Is it? Oh, that's not good.
Yeah, nice. That was Liverpool? Oh, yeah, no, I'm going to go with Liverpool. I think it's the wrong cup, though.
Oh, Scott Young.
January 2002. No idea.
Under 3.
I'm going to go 8.
Steven Gerrard.
4 FA Cup finals. I'm going to go Robbie Keane.
Ian now Pedroid.
1964.
Derby.
I think I'm getting too mixed up, but I don't know. I want to say Leeds. Can we do that one again? Wait, can we do that one again? Why have I said that? Now, what date is it?
The pictures are black and white.
Yeah, I know. Why did I think you were so late?
I was taking videos
I'm gonna
on the little monitor.
I'm gonna get ruined, mate. I'm going to get ruined. Did you know it?
I was close in 1964.
Well done, pal. I swear I got 3. I'll take 2.